welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. This is the part of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation comparison series, and today we are going to be comparing the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation 312 with the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. So I've already done a few videos comparing the Maybelline Fit Me with few other foundations which I have, high-end brands, affordable brands, everything. You can go ahead and check out the playlist which is out here. So this series is all about the comparison of the mainly the shade comparison of the Maybelline Fit Me 312 foundation shade with the rest of the foundations. So if you are planning to buy any of these foundations and if you are in shade 312 golden, then this series will be really helpful for you. So today, as I said, I'm going to be comparing the Maybelline Fit Me 312 shade with the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Full Coverage Foundation. So this is the Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. The shade which I have is Caramel Beige 05. So the Maybelline Fit Me 312 foundation is a pretty good match for my skin. After oxidation, it settles in really well. And for reference, my MAC shade is NC 42 if you're looking for it. I've also done a comparison with the MAC foundation as well. So now let's go ahead and swatch these shades to see the difference. So this is the Fit Me foundation shade. And this is the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Foundation shade. So the Swiss Beauty shade is a little bit lighter and the Maybelline shade is like a warmer shade. So it actually, after oxidation, Maybelline goes on well, but this one is a little, a lighter shade, I would say. So as usual, I will be applying the foundations on the either side of my face. So first I'll use Maybelline Fit Me on this side of my face. So I will be using for a medium coverage, not for like that full coverage. So you will see how good it looks for a natural look. So I'm using a brush to blend in the foundation. So this foundation, I've already mentioned in my previous videos, it blends in really well, gives you a great coverage, a medium to fuller coverage, and it gives a nice mattifying finish. So if you're an oily skin person, or even if you're a dry skin person, this foundation really matches well. It's very lightweight as well. So you can see how quickly it blended in. The shade match is also pretty good, as you can see. So you can definitely apply more and build it up. But if you have some dark circles or pigmented areas, it's always advisable to use an orange corrector, so you will get that good flawless coverage. So this is how it is. So this is how the Maybelline 312 golden shade looks on me. So now let's go ahead and try the Swiss Beauty shade on this side. So Swiss Beauty is a full coverage foundation, and the consistency is little thick compared to the Maybelline foundation. So when you have this thick consistency foundation, it's always good to blend it immediately after applying, else it might look patchy or it would be difficult to blend. So this one, as I said, the consistency is thick, you can see here. You can apply a little bit a quantity if you're looking for that, a natural type of a finish. So I took one pump actually. And this is how the coverage you get and the finish. It definitely gives a good finish, and it also blends in, easily. It's not that, it's very difficult to blend as such. It definitely blends in well as well. That is how the finish is for the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So I'll give you a closer look for both these foundations. So this is how the Swiss Beauty foundation is. And this is the Maybelline foundation. So the Maybelline gives you a medium coverage, and it gives you a kind of the mattifying finish is definitely there. You can build it up by applying more. So Swiss Beauty gives you a great coverage even with a small amount. You can see here it's giving you a really pretty good coverage. But of course, as I said, for your darker under eyes and pigmented areas, you need to use an orange corrector. So the shade is actually okay, I would say. But if you are looking for a shade, for the next shade, you can definitely go. I think you have the shade 06, Warm Sun. I'm not sure how the shade is, but that is the next shade and that is the last shade available. So, if you are applying for some occasions or something, this shade is still a pretty good match. With your full makeup, it will definitely give that glow to your face, and the finish is definitely good. It gives you a nice finish. I won't say it's completely matte, because this side, the Maybelline gives you a really good matte finish. It's very lightweight. So this is not that light, or it gives that mattifying finish as such, but it gives that good, not that oily type of a finish, but it gives that dewy look as well. So you need to definitely set it with a good compact or a loose powder when you're applying this. So the coverage wise, if you see, Swiss Beauty gives a great coverage. I really like the coverage part of it. And Maybelline also gives you a medium if you can build it up by applying more. So that's the type of a coverage you get with these two foundations. Let us do a transfer test and see how much it transfers. So I'll do first on the Maybelline side. So I'm taking a cotton pad for it and I'll just dab in like this. So Maybelline does not transfer much. It's very, very little, almost equal to no transfer. So now I'll do it on the Swiss Beauty side. This one also doesn't transfer much. It transfers a little bit, but not much. So that is the difference between these two foundations. I think the shade is pretty good. So let's try to, check how much it oxidizes. So it is not much time, but still let's go ahead and check it out. So that's the Maybelline, the fresh swatch. So you can see here it's already oxidized a little bit. And this is the Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty also has oxidized a little bit. But in general, if you're an oily skin person, it would definitely oxidize a little bit more. So that is the difference and comparison between these two foundations. So both the foundations are great if you're looking for that great coverage and that nice finish. This definitely lasts for a long time as well. You can go ahead and try out the Swiss Beauty Airbrush foundation. Maybelline, as usual, is like great for any kind of use, daily use, party use, anything. You can build it up by applying more to get fuller coverage. So that is the difference between these two foundations. I hope this video was useful, and there will be more videos where I'll be comparing the rest of the foundations which I have. So if you like this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.